your body, yo. Call me daddy, yo. Need to bother you. Now your way I badu. Girl, I like your way, yo.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel today. So I already missed doing this, guys. Anyway, I got this package from Royalme and it came pre-plucked, pre-bleached. It also has this new fake scalp method that just makes everything easier, Anyway, it has an elastic band. It also comes with some combs. Hey there, hi guys, what's up, what's good? I'm just trying it on just to show you guys how it looks straight off the package. And as you can see, this wig is like flawless. It has like the hairline already plucked. You don't need to bleach, you don't need to do nothing. It's already done. I mean, this is one of the sleekest wigs I've ever had. Look at that part, guys. Like, it's so natural. Anyway, I decided to transform it because I have too many black wigs. So I'm just gonna be using some bleach, some conditioner, shampoo, and all of that. And let's get to it, okay? So the first step I'm taking is to section out the front part of the hair. You guys, let me not even lie, I was so scared that I was going to like mess this up because I didn't know what I was going for. I was just trying to be creative. Anyway, I just sectioned out the front, like just the front hairline, and I just braided it to keep it away so I can work with the other part of the hair and not have that disturb me. So now for the back of the hair, I'm going to go ahead and section it into 3 parts like so. You guys, I've missed being on YouTube. Have you missed me? I've missed you guys. I've missed this space. Oh my god. Anyway, I'm going to go ahead and mix my bleach. I'm using the Prime White bleach and this is just bleaching powder. I'm going to link everything down below. I'm using 3 scoops of that. If you are in Nigeria, you can get this at Ebano or any hair shop. Basically, they always sell this or in the market. I'm putting the same equal amount. Nigga, that's the same thing. Anyway, I'm putting equal amounts of the developer, that's 30% developer, into the mix, and then I'm just going to go ahead and stir and cook and get it together so it's smooth and all. Yeah. Okay guys, let's put this bleach to work. This is the only time you catch me bleaching because me too black, me don't like bleach. Anyway, I'm just going to use a brush like so, dip it in my bleach. I don't know how I just did this. I thought it would work and it did work. Like, what? I'm just brushing it through the hair just to create highlights because I didn't want to just do anything that would be stressful. So this is so stress-free, so easy to do. I'm actually going to do this for like longer hair because I really liked how it turned out. Okay, anyway, I'm just brushing through with the bleach. You can use a comb as well, anything you want, just to make it easier. Basically, this is just going to help you have dimensions. So some hair strands can stay darker than others. Even the bleach is not going to be even on all of them, so it just creates that gradient for you. The balayage, the highlights, whatever you call it. I'm just going to keep doing the same thing and going up the levels until I finish it. Now, the front part that we left out, I'm going to go ahead and work on that side. So I'm just sectioning out where I would like to have a side part and then applying bleach all over this side part, like all over, not with the brush or anything, making sure it's really damp and really actually going to bleach completely. I'm also going to do the same thing for the middle because just in case I want to do a middle part, I'll have the highlights there as well. So I'm just doing the same thing, applying the bleach heavy to these sections just so it creates, you're gonna see like how it turns out in the end, so you understand what I'm doing right now. I'm not crazy, I'm not like stupid, I'm actually I actually kind of know what I'm doing, if you don't mind. So yeah, I'm just going to continue to do the comb method on the rest of the hair that's out in the front and do it for the other side as well, just to create that same gradient we were going for. just finished applying the bleach all over the hair, and I'm just going to comb through just to see if I need any spots retouched. I let it sit for like 30 minutes and then I washed it out with some shampoo, and yeah, I just rinsed it out. Make sure you wash out your bleach good because you don't want your hair to be crunchy. No, no sir. Anyway, after that, I'm going to go ahead and apply some L'Oreal conditioner, and this is like for colored hair. It's going to help remove that brassiness, that crunchiness that we do not want on our hair. And I apply this all over. I let it sit for like an hour before I washed it out again. And yes, girl, look at our wig. Sister Chichi is sitting good. Can you see the highlight I was talking about in the beginning where I did the side part? It's also at the middle part. And yeah, I kind of like how this color job turned out, guys. Hail me. I deserve to be gassed right now. Yes, I went ahead to straighten this hair and just, you know, make it look sleek, just to see where I'm gonna go with this towards the end, just to have an idea, to see how it looks when it's laid flat. I'm using my, what's this straightener called? I'm going to link it down below. I'm just using the, what's it called, the brush through method, right? Am I right? And I also use the hot comb just to make sure it's flat and slick and all of that. At this point, I was like, oh yeah, this wig is ready to go. Yes, my bob is on fleek. Let's go wear it. And then I was like, no, let me cut it, okay? Let me be adventurous. And I went ahead to use my shears. I'm not even sure if they are shears or just regular scissors, but I just did what I knew to do, what I thought I knew to do, and I just cut it all around straight like that. And my cut wasn't perfect, but I mean, who is? Yeah, I cut it and that's it. It's short, it's bouncy, it's nice. I went ahead to lay my edges with some got to be. Guys, this video is so messy. I didn't have any gloves, but you know, it is what it is. Gotta be dirty to get that clean look, you know. Anyway, I'm spraying it with some holding spray so it doesn't come off and all the flyaways lay flat. I'm just preparing this wig to be perfect for me. Now it's time to apply it. At this point, I'm like, what the hell did I do? I hate this wig. What is this? Let me just apply it and see, okay? I will use my got to be glue just to spray on the front so it's secure. And at the edges, I use my bold hold glue. I'll link it down below, guys. I will link it down below because my sideburns are something else, guys. If you want to be hairy, I'm not sure you want to wish for that, but my sideburns just won't stay with regular got to be or regular, you know, all of that. So I have to use that bold hold glue, and it actually works for my sideburns. I'm just using the end of the comb to secure this hair down, and yeah. So yeah, this is it. At this point, this wig was giving me Sunday school teacher vibes. I'm like, who is texting me right now, bro? Anyway, this is it. This was the point where I was like, yeah, I did that. I kind of did that. But yeah, I kind of did that. Royalme hair, you guys helped make this wig easy for me to do because I didn't have to pluck, I didn't have to bleach the knots. I just did what I had to do and I loved it. I'll link it down below so you, I mean, look at that lace. It's just nice. Okay guys, that's it. I will see you guys in my next video. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe, click the like button, everything, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.
Balling for you. Steady balling. Sorry I left you calling. I've been hustling for you, cause I'm about my money. Girl, your body, you call me daddy, you.
Whenever your heart is broken.